We still haven't fully understood it, simply because the ancient Egyptians themselves regarded this as the ultimate secret art.
$8.5 million people. What could possibly go wrong?
They all just exploded like a bomb went off.
I see that wave coming around the corner every night when I go to sleep, and it's just not a good feeling.
There's $100,000 to be won.
It's embarrassing. You humiliate.
People were ringing their loved ones in case they weren't going to be seeing them again. Screams and the noise of the banging was just horrible.
If you go out anywhere in northwest London, your grandparents will know the next day, and they'll be calling you asking you when the wedding is.
How many people go through life not really knowing who am I, what am I capable of?
Wait! We wanted to go in, hit it harder than anyone else had ever hit it.
Get this, an internet-ready wireless crapper with a waterproof keyboard and screen, for the love of God.